In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up goals in Monarch Money. Let's get started. The Goals feature helps you track savings targets like an emergency fund or retirement by linking your accounts and projecting your progress over time. To get started, go to the Goals page and click on Add Goal in the top right. Choose the type of goal you want, then set your target amount and, if needed, a target date. Next, link the accounts you want to use for this goal. This ensures your progress updates automatically based on your balances. After that, enter your monthly contribution so Monarch can estimate how long it will take to reach your goal. You can also reorder your goals to set priorities based on what matters most. You can even connect transactions to your goal by editing a transaction and selecting the goal from the dropdown. For recurring contributions, you can create rules to automate this process. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.